Something very interesting is going on with XRP in relation to buys and sells. Also, AI predicting a significant move over the next 30 days. We're going to give you that price in this video, as well as a head-to-head you do not want to miss. All of that in your weekly and daily XRP update right here on the 2Bit Crypto channel. So make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, turn your notification bell to all. Let's get into this one. So I want to start really quickly with this, the OL weighted funding rate. This ultimately measures the money in and the money out of XRP, particularly when it comes to trading volume. And actually, what can we see? Well, there has been a significant uptrend in trading volume for XRP. Now, only in the last about 3 hours, we've seen a significant move from Bitcoin. It actually dumped about 1.5% before absolutely skyrocketing to nearly retesting 64,000. Now, XRP clearly isn't going to have the same sort of volatility, but this is very interesting. In the short term, we are seeing traders coming into the market. They are trading volume on XRP. It's becoming an asset that people want to try and speculate on. But more importantly, when you look at outflows from exchanges, XRP is holding its own as well. So what do we deduce by this? People are trading and people are removing from exchanges. They are setting their positions for a longer term. Now, if you're in the same camp as I am, that we expect the banana zone for Bitcoin, the final stage as we rally to that all-time high in the early 2025, well, then it's probably a good time to stack XRP. Also, don't forget, October 7th is just around the corner. This could ignite the market, particularly as traders or even investors that were on the sidelines have waited until the SEC has been done. I think it's a key measure. And more importantly, we are now seeing people take those positions within XRP. So if we think about all of that, what does that look like for, well, price predictions? And interestingly, you know how my view of AI is very interesting at the minute. Well, AI is giving us a price prediction. I wanted to share this with you. Now, just for clarity, this is not financial advice, and be clear, this is an AI model, but apparently this AI model is relying on technical analysis, indicators such as moving average, convergence, divergence, Bollinger Bands, and the RSI. What is it telling us right now? I don't know what this man's doing here, but let's get rid of him. It ultimately is telling us that in the next 24 hours, we could see a 60-cent XRP followed by 65 at the end of this week, with a bullish sentiment of the next 30 days hitting around 72 cents. This would obviously surpass the 7th of October and send us to obviously the middle of October, which historically is a very good month for Bitcoin. Now, if Bitcoin rallies, you expect XRP and the rest of the altcoin measures to move as well. This is why people are predicting a significant move for XRP in the not so distant futures. But before we get to that point, there is a head-to-head coming up that I know everybody in cryptocurrency, let alone XRP holders, are excited about. Because for me, this could be a moment in history that defines an era. And you may think, oh my God, 2Bit, this must be absolutely epic. Well, this is it. John Deaton going head-to-head with Elizabeth Warren. This one is going to be an absolute banger. Forget Trump and Harris. This is going to be very interesting. We know Elizabeth Warren, part of the Get Crypto Out crew, versus John Deaton, obviously pro-cryptocurrency, supporting the XRP holders, and still to this day, and he was on record by saying he is going to support whoever is the next elect president. We know Donald Trump's clearly stance on Gary Gensler, but ultimately he is going to support that as well. So this could be wild if you think about it. John Deaton versus Elizabeth Warren. I'm absolutely convinced that, cryptocurrency would come up. Could this be another catalyst for XRP? So you roll all that up into one nice little parcel with a bow on the top of it and start to think, okay, could XRP truly make me a millionaire? Well, the reality is you have to hold enough. All right. So all these people are telling you they can hold 500 XRP. I'm not sure you're going to be a millionaire anytime soon, but it's all relative, isn't it? It's not necessarily holding X amount of XRP to a million. The question is, do you believe XRP is going to go up in value? Do you believe there is a global demand, whether that be BRICS, whether that be the financial institutions that support XRP? You only have to look at Bitcoin ETFs, and we've covered this on the channel. 17 banks are invested in Bitcoin ETFs. Well, roll this up. Could there be an XRP ETF? Well, Grayscale Trust, $750,000, is showing signs that this could be a thing. Well, imagine XRP becomes an ETF. Imagine the banking institutions want to get involved. Well, all of a sudden you start to get into a world of thinking, well, could XRP truly rally to a significant price point? Could XRP be a $10, $20, $100 coin? Well, if so, do the maths. you don't have to hold that much in order for XRP to make you a millionaire. All of that very interesting. And like I said, I'm always pretty bullish on XRP, have been for a while. It is showing some strength. If you take a look at the price action, we are looking for this breakout, this downward sloping trend line to the upside. We are looking for it. We're in a nice little uptrend right now. I want to see us start to retest this. Now, you would argue with XRP, this is going to continue down. October the 7th. The date that is pinned in the diary. What are we going to see? Is this going to just continue as it moves up to the upside with a retest? Remember, $62, potentially even $70 within 30 days. Is that reasonable to be up here by the middle of October, which would put us somewhere around here? It's a pretty big move, but it's absolutely plausible and it's absolutely possible. And interestingly enough, if you short-term Fibonacci this from the top to the bottom, where does 70 cents gets us? It gets us up and in between the 1.0 and the 1.618 Fibonacci. Very interesting indeed when that moves. Also, if you are a trader, don't forget we've partnered up with Trade Assist to give you all the latest indicators, both on a sell and a buy zone, and their premium service as well, giving you momentum shifts and much, much more. The link to this is in the description, and it is a fantastic piece of kit to confirm your decisions around trading. I'm using it right now. I had a nice little trade earlier on Bitcoin. Many of you people in my live stream will have known that, but again, it's showing you some real key signs to see some nice moves on the cryptocurrencies you trading. So do check out the link to Trade Assist in the description, as well as MEXC if you want to go and actually trade leverage. But let me know, as always, what do you think of all of this, and who's your money on when it comes to John Deaton and Elizabeth Warren? You know I'm keen to hear what you think. As always though, thanks so much for watching the video. Don't forget the like and subscribe button for more. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.